Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple Cache is not showing up in Wallet. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that your Apple Cache is not showing in your wallet, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection, and you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then go to your settings app, go to general, go to language and region option. Select region and select your own region in which you are living. After selecting a region, just simply go back and go to software update. You just have to try to update your software, and once you update your software, go back and try to make a force restart with your iPhone. Now to do this, quickly press and release the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go to check system status. So just simply open your Apple Support app or your Apple browser, and here just simply search for Apple system status. Just search for this. Just search for Apple system status here. Open the first website from here, and here just tap on the plus option here, and you will see all of Apple services. You just have to look for Apple Pay, and you have to make sure that your Apple Pay is available. So just look for Apple Pay, and you can see Apple Pay is still available. So if you might see that your Apple Pay is available but still facing the same issues, you can try to contact with Apple support team to get official help. How to do this, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your app store, or you can use the Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, select more option, look for Apple Wallet here, just tap on get more help, then tap on colors. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with an Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.